How are you all? So welcome to Mona Patil tutorials. So today we are going to learn about green energy chapter 5 part 1 of Science 2 Standard 10 Maharashtra Board. If till now you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press on the bell icon for further notification. Student, watch the complete video carefully for at least 2 or 3 times. So let's start our lesson. Topic to be learned. So, use of various energy resources, generation of electrical energy, and process of generation of electricity and environment. These are the main topic we are going to learn. Here, energy and use of energy. Here, various form of energy we know that mainly energy can be kinetic on the basis of energy of movement and potential energy which is stored up energy. Then energy can be divided into this type also. If energy comes from moving, then it can be thermal form of energy, mechanical form, electrical form, and magnetic form. If we experience energy in different ways like sound energy, light energy is stored to based or to be used later, chemical energy, elastic energy, nuclear energy, and gravitational energy. So these all form of energy we are experiencing in our day to day life. Here from the total number of energy, this much energy are distributed. It is given here in the pie diagram. So how much form of energy we are using in our life. So heating energy, cooling, water heating, appliances, lighting, other. So these are the electricity used for getting this form of energy. Okay. So yeah, again generation of electrical energy. After using this much energy, how the energy is going to be generated, which is very important thing. So most of the electric power plant are based on the principle of electromagnetic induction invented by Michael Faraday. According to this principle, whenever the magnetic field around a conductor changes, a potential difference is generated across the conductor. The field around the conductor can be changed into two ways. The first, if the conductor is stationary and magnet is rotating. The field around the conductor is changes, or if the magnetic is stationary but the conductor is moving, then also the field around the conductor will be changed. Thus, in both the cases, the potential differences is created across the conductor. The electrical power generating machine based on this principle is called electric generator. So here power proper energy source to run the turbine. So turbine require the source of energy to be run. Then with the help of turbine, the electricity can be generated with the help of generator, and so we can obtain the electrical energy. So this is the basic thing to obtain the electrical energy or electric energy. So in diagrammatic form we can see here electromagnetic induction or electromotive force means induced EMF is produced here with the help of rotating magnetic field or line of flux. Okay, this is the coil placed in magnetic field to obtain the electrical energy, which is denoted here with a voltmeter. Okay, means we obtain the potential difference basically here. Here the steam turbine means those the energy generated. Okay, so this generated is based on steam or pressure of steam. Okay, and here the pressure of steam is exerted on the turbine, so it can be start rotating, and this rotation can be helpful to obtain the energy. Here the schematic of electric generator. So after the rotation of this turbine, the electricity start to be generated in the electric generator. Then thermal energy based on electric power station or thermal energy based electric power station. So here in the electric power station, mainly the fuel used as a coal. Okay, With the help of this energy, boiler for conservation of water to steams, means water get boiled with the help of this fuel and steam is obtained to run the turbine. And with the help of generator, the energy obtained here through the turbine is converted into electrical energy. So system for convenient steam back to water, means here those steams are required for generator and remaining is again come back to in the system. Here the flow chart is given to better understand. Here the chemical energy in coal convert into thermal energy while giving heat to the water, and this energy help or obtain the kinetic energy in the steam. So kinetic energy in the turbine change into electrical energy. So here are the different forms of energy, and this had changed to complete our goal, like chemical energy, thermal energy, kinetic energy and electrical energy. So these are the different form of energy obtained through this system. So in this turbine is rotated using the steam, water is heated in the boiler using the, you can see here the diagram. Okay, so using the steam of very high temperature and pressure is generated. The energy in the steam drives the turbine, and then thus the generator connected to the turbine rotate and electrical energy is produced. The steam is converted back into the water and the water is recirculated to the boiler. This is shown here in the flow chart. I just explain about it to you. Then since thermal energy is used here to generate the electrical energy, such a power plant are called as the thermal power plant. In thermal power plants, the chemical energy in the coal is converted into electrical energy, and through the several steps which are just we have seen here. Okay, so like this the energy are changed into different form. If you see the thermal power station, you will observe two types of towers are there. What are they? So if you observe the schematic of the thermal power station, so you will get answer to this question, because this tower obtained for what? To release here the gas or to release the vapor and hot air. So compare to the schematic of the thermal power station with the block diagram here, and you will understand how the boiler, turbine, generator and condenser are arranged in the power station. After combustion of fuel here in the boiler, the emitted gases are released to the atmosphere through very high tower, which is given or shown here. Once the turbine is rotated using the steam at high temperature and high pressure, steam temperature and pressure decrease. This steam is converted back into the water by taking out heat from it or cooling it. Okay, so here you can see this pump. Okay, so here the water cool again. This is done in the condenser using the water in the cooling tower. The water in cooling tower is circulated through the condenser. Heat energy in the steam is given to the water and steam condensed back to water. The heat absorbed by the water is then released to the atmosphere through the vapor. Okay, this is the cooling tower. The heat absorbed by the water is then released into atmosphere through the vapor and heated air through the cooling tower. Although thermal power generation is major way of electricity generation today, so it suffer from certain problems. So problems are given here. So air pollution is the main problem here. The air pollution due to burning of coal. Burning of coal result in the emission of gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, which are harmful to the health. Along with the emission of the gases due to burning of coal, soot particle or minute particle of burning are also released into the environment. This may cause a serious health problem related to the respiratory system. The reserves of fuel used in this method, that is coal, are limited. Therefore, in future there will be limitation on the availability of the resources like coal. Power plant based on nuclear energy. So here the nuclear reactor for nuclear fissions are used. Here system for steam generation from water, then steam turbine, generator, and with the help of generator electric energy can be formed. So here fuel like uranium or plutonium is used. Okay, and here between this uranium and plutonium the reaction can be take place. So let me study about it. In the power plant based on nuclear energy also, steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. However, here the energy released by fission of nuclei of atom like uranium or plutonium is used to generate the steam of high temperature and high pressure. The energy in the steam rotate the turbine, which in turn drives the generator producing electricity. The flow chart of this power plant is shown here. So, thus here the nuclear energy is converted into thermal energy. Thermal energy is converted into kinetic energy of steam. Kinetic energy of steam is converted into kinetic energy in turbine, and then finally kinetic energy of the turbine is converted into electrical energy. The step by step transformation is shown here. You can see here the reaction. When neutron is bombarded on atom of uranium 235, here a single neutron is bombarded, means thrown with the force on uranium 235, it absorbs the neutron and convert into its isotope uranium 236. Uranium 236 being extremely unstable and convert into atom of barium and krypton through a process of fission, releasing. Fission means in two parts, it change into two parts or it break into two parts. So the fission can be take place here, releasing the 3 neutrons and 200 megawatt energy is obtained. The 3 neutron generated in the process cause fission of 3 other uranium 235. So like this energy can be continue and very hard to control it. The neutron release in this reactions release more energy, and though through fission of more uranium nuclei. This process of fission of uranium 235 atom continues and is called the chain reaction. In nuclear power plant, a controlled chain reaction results in a release of thermal energy, which is used for electrical energy generation. So this is about the schematic of nuclear power plant. Okay, and here the actually what reaction is going on, that has shown here. Then a nuclear power plant does not use fossil fuel like coal, therefore problem like air pollution do not arises. Also, if sufficient nuclear fuel is available, this can be good source of electrical energy. However, there are few problems associated with the nuclear power generation. So you can see the problems like the product after fission of nuclear fuel are also radioactive and emit the harmful radiation. The product are called as a nuclear waste. How to dispose the nuclear waste safely is a big challenge before the scientists. An accident in nuclear power plant can be very fatal. This is because the accident may result in a release of very harmful radiation. So here also we can say this is also having many problems. So This is also not can be not a green energy. So power generation plant, next is the power generation plant based on natural gas. So you can see in the diagram, the turbine is run by gas at very high temperature and pressure generated by combustion of natural gas. A flow chart showing various stages in a power generation plant based on natural gas energy here. So here compressor for pressurize the air. Then combustion of chamber where the gas can be ignite, and then gas turbine. So as the turbine start to rotate with the help of gas, it can be connected to the generator to convert the this energy into electrical energy. Okay, so this is what arrangement in a power plant based on energy of natural gas. There are three main section in this type. Pressurized air is introduced into the combustion chamber using the compressor. In the combustion chamber, the natural gas burns in the presence of air, and the gas at very high temperature and pressure generated in this chamber run the turbines. The turbines then drives the generator to produce the electricity, and step by step transformation as shown here. The efficiency of this type of power generation plant is higher than the, here you can see the diagram. So it is the higher than the power generation plant based on coal. So moreover, since the natural gas does not contain sulfur, burning or natural gas result in a less pollution, the schematic power plant based on natural gas is given here. Okay. So here the fuel can be burned and combustion chamber to burn the fuel like a natural gas. It is the gas turbine and emission of hot gases. Then here the after the turbine run here, it attached the generator to obtain the electrical energy. This is the schematic of power plant based on natural gas. Okay, so here we will stop. So thank you for watching this video. If you have liked my video, then press on the like button. If you want to see my previous videos, then press on I button or check the description. I had uploaded playlist of my all the videos. If you have any problem regarding the chapter, then tell me by writing it in comment box. So we will meet in the next video. Up to then, bye bye. Thank you.